Carl Sagan, of course, had a great quote about how that, we look at Earth and, it's this pale blue dot that everyone you've ever known and everyone you've ever loved, everyone you've ever even heard of has, come from this one small place in the universe. So it kind of, I tend to keep that perspective in mind, that, a lot of our differences that we worry about sometimes, that in, the grand scheme of the universe, like we're all the same, we're all humans, and we live in this very special place. The planetarium and Science on a Sphere are a great venue. Let the public actually interact with these global visualizations, or this enormous data of the universe, that we can do that with Science on a Sphere, with digital theaters and the planetarium. I always want to be accurate, but I'm also very cognizant of the fact that it needs to be wrapped in a story, in a narrative, to connect to people, because otherwise they're just numbers, or like big flashy colors. But if they don't mean anything to anybody, then then that's not very helpful. It's actually refreshing for me to be able to talk to the public, and when they ask questions that that they wonder about, that those are things that other people have wondered about as well. And so I'm always very happy and eager to share my knowledge with people and to get them thinking about these large questions. Sometimes when I'm doing sort of the drudgery of my own job, that I stop and think about how again, what a wonderful universe that we live in, how many amazing things there are, and how many things there are to share. So I go home and I share those things with my kids, and try to see the world from their perspective, because something kind of happens as we get older, and we have to turn in homework, or we have to write reports or whatever, that we sometimes lose that sense of wonder. So I think having my children helps keep that in balance for me, that the world is this wonderful place.